How to trade cryptocurrency. Recently, I discovered that a lot of people does not know how to trade cryptocurrency. And some people does not even know what cryptocurrency is all about. A few days ago, I watched an interview with B Lord, an Nigerian crypto billionaire called B Lord. And he was saying that he makes over 100 million naira every week from cryptocurrency. And when I went down to the comment section, people were saying it's not true. Some people were saying it's not true. Is it not the same cryptocurrency I'm trading, or is your own different? The truth is that there's a 100% possibility of making more than 100 million naira from cryptocurrency in a week. And you too can do the same thing if you have the knowledge and capital. In cryptocurrency trading, there's two things you must have. Number one is knowledge, and secondly is capital. You must have knowledge in cryptocurrency before you can trade it and make profit. You must know how to analyze the chart. You must know how to buy, how to sell. You must know when to buy and when to sell. Because you don't just go into the market and start buying and start selling. You need to know when to buy and when to sell. That's number one. The second one is capital. Some people will just start trading with $50, some will start trading with $100, and they're expecting to make a huge turnover within a short period of time. It will not work. For you to trade and make good profit in cryptocurrency, you need to have a good capital to trade. In crypto trading, if you have knowledge and you don't have capital, you are wasting your time. And if you have the capital without the knowledge, you are wasting your money. So you need to have the two of them for the equation to be balanced. You must have capital and the knowledge at the same time in order to make profits. So if you have capital and you don't have the knowledge, go and learn how to trade. If you have the knowledge and you don't have the capital, go and try and make some money before you start trading. So that you will not look like cryptocurrency is scam, everything is scam. There's a lot of scammers, we know about that one. But if you know how to trade and you have the capital, you will make your money coolly. My name is Richard Ogun, and I'll be teaching you how to trade cryptocurrency, how to make money online, and how to grow your Facebook page, YouTube channel, TikTok account, Instagram, and so many other ones. Please follow my page, like and comment, and share this video for more people to watch. Before we proceed, please let's watch the B Lord interview and let's hear what he have to say.
In a week, I can make 100 million in a week. I choose to buy house every day, every week. I can do that. I can buy house every week if I choose. So, but sometimes I will put all our money in cryptos.
I remember when I posted that video the other time, people were like, it is impossible that you are a billionaire. So I'll ask him this question so he clears the air. Do you think or do you feel you're a millionaire or a billionaire?
Only my house alone worth 1 billion. So what are we talking about? If only my house worth 1 billion, I'm not a billionaire. This app now, only this app is more than $1 million. If I choose, if I come out myself to sell it, that this app, 30% this one is making 30 million a month.
Yeah.
And 30 million a month times 12 is 360 million a year. Times 10 years is 3.6 billion. So an app that generates 3.6 billion in a year, how much do you think we should sell the app?
Yeah. Okay.
It's more than $1 million. The house I bought in Lagos, I bought them 100 million. In 10 years, I cannot even make the money.
Yeah.
It will take me 20 years. Do you understand? So this thing is more than $1 million. So anybody saying I'm a billionaire, come on. My G-Wagon is 220 million. My wife's car is 80 million. That's 300 million.
And the Rolls Royce is how much?
600 million.
That's like
550 million. Then some.
If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, type in the comment section, I want to learn. I want to see how many people are interested in this course, and I will make more videos on how to trade cryptocurrency. Type I want to learn in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Like this video, share it, comment, and please follow my page so that you will not miss out anytime I drop the next video. Thank you so much.